Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we are solving problem number 3 on LeetCode, longest substring without repeating characters. This problem is an excellent example of how sliding window techniques can simplify complex scenarios. Stick around as we break it down step by step and solve it efficiently. Let's dive in. So, we are given a string S and we have to find the length of the longest substring without repeating characters. Now, a substring is a contiguous non-empty sequence of characters within a string. So, let's see an example. Suppose we are given a string ABC, ABC, BB. Now, here we have the longest substring without repeating characters as ABC, then BCA, then CAB. All of these are unique and all of these length is 3. Hence, our answer is 3. Another example is this string. Now here the longest substring without repeating character is only one, that is B, and hence the answer is 1. Now let's take another example. Here the longest substring without repeating character is WKE, and hence the length of it is 3. To solve this problem, we will be using the concept of sliding window. Here we will be using two pointers approach, left and right, to represent the boundaries of the current substring. As we iterate through the string, we update the pointers and adjust the window to accommodate new unique characters and eliminate repeating characters. So for this, we will be using something called set. Now how it's going to work? First of all, our leftmost pointer will be pointed to our starting position. Next, we initiate a for loop for iterating through the string. As soon as we iterate on the first position, we know we will check if this position is present in the set or not. If it is not present, we will put this character into the set. Now our max length will become right minus left plus 1. So 0 minus 0 plus 1 is equals to 1. This is our max length. Now for the second one, we will iterate to the next string. Now B. Is B in the set? No, it is not in the set. So we will put it into the set. Now our max length will become 1 minus 0 plus 1, that is equals to 2. Next we will move on to the next position. Is C in the set? No, it is not in the set. So we will put it into the set. And now our max length will become 3. Now when we move on to the next iteration, we see that A is already present inside the set. So what we are going to do is we will now start moving our leftmost pointer till that character where A will not be present inside the set. So we are at the 0th position. So we will remove the 0th position of the element. So it's A. So we'll remove it and move our leftmost pointer. So now since A is not present and this A can be put into the loop in the set, so we will put it back by considering this right. So now our max length is 3 minus 1 plus 1 is equals to 3. It is not changed. Going into the next iteration, we see that B is also present. So what we are going to do? We are now moving the left, but by deleting this element first. So we'll move on to left. Now B is not present, the rightmost character, and hence we will put B back into the set. And our max length will be 4 minus 2 plus 1 is equals to 3. Now moving rightmost pointer again, we saw C is also in the set. So what we are going to do? We will remove the leftmost character, which is C. We'll remove it from here. Move leftmost pointer one step ahead. And now since C is not present in the set anymore, we will put it back. Now max length will be 5 minus 3 plus 1 is equals to 3. It is still not changed. Now we will move rightmost pointer once again. As we see, B is still there in the set. So what we are going to do is we will move the leftmost character, that is A, but still B is still there in the set. So now we will again move the leftmost characters, that is B, and move it ahead. Now B is not there in the set, we will put it. Now the max length will be 6 minus 5 plus 1, that is 2. But 2 is smaller than 1, is smaller than 3, we are not going to update it. Now we are moving the rightmost pointer again and we see B is still there. So what we are going to do? We are going to delete the leftmost characters, that is C. Move the leftmost pointer, it is still there. So again we will move the leftmost pointer and we will recheck to the end. So now we can put B back and the iteration is over. what we have the max length of 3 available. Hence for the answer for this problem is 3. Now let's code it. So first of all, we are going to define a set known as character set, and then we will iterate through the string. Okay, so this will be our right pointer and this will be our left pointer. So first we will check if right of the string is in the character set or not. If it is not in the character set, we will put it and we will find out the max length. So is the new length greater than the old one? If yes, update it, or else keep it. Now if in case the right character is already present in the character set, we'll start removing the left character one by one till right character is not present in the character set. Once that is done, we will again put the right character back into the character set, and this for loop will go on and on until the length of the string is completed and we will get max length. So let's run it. So it passes all of our test cases, and now let's submit it. So we got an 11 millisecond runtime with 95% of the beating score. And that's how you solve LeetCode problem number 3, longest substring without repeating characters. We solved this problem by using sliding window approach. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the notification bell for more coding tutorials. Thanks for watching and I will see you in the next one.